when we work on the ingrained belief or attachment, this will help us to see the subtle layers underneath our surface attachment. The process will help us understand the nature of the mind, understand the emotional realm, the psychological realm. The process helps us to understand how the mind comes into existence and how the mind becomes real. Only through tracing back the mind makes you understand the nature of the mind, the nature of the fear. Sitting down and waiting won't make you understand the hidden layers, the subtle layers. You have to witness, you have to trace your mind to see all the layers that is not able to see. So, stop waiting in your meditation. Again, as I mentioned, sitting down in meditation and waiting and calming yourself, calming your body, definitely it's something positive. That itself is a little bit disengaging from the world. But this is also an act of running away from the world. Meditation has become the act of running away from the life situation, running away from the circumstances, running away from the relative world. And when you run away from the relative world and sit down with yourself, yes, it's working while you're not being part of the world. But you cannot ignore the world. You have to be part of the world. You have to go back to the world because